Hi, Mike Sikorsky here with Zowie Estimation for Macomb Elementary Science Olympiad, and I've been talking today about when you walk into the competition, how that's going to look, and the answer sheet actually, which is available on the website soon, if not already. And when you first walk in, you're going to see some tables in front of you with buckets like this one here with a dry substance inside of it. And you're going to first write your team number and school name and the two students, or if there's only one of you, one student's name on the answer sheet. That occurs at station number 1. The dry substance which you find in buckets. There'll be two teams of 2 behind each bucket, so you're going to be walking in, you'll see one team here and one team behind that team. Be patient, we'll make sure you have enough time to get what you think is 100 grams in the cup. It won't be a problem. And then we'll move everybody slowly to station number 2, where you're going to be estimating the number of objects in a container, which you see over here, an example of it. Usually one smaller and one larger, as you see here. It may not be the same containers, it may not be pasta, but it'll be something that's able to be counted. You want to count the surface and then count how many layers you see to try and multiply to get how many you think are inside the container. You're going to write those numbers down. You will not write down anything from station number 1. You're going to hand us the cup that has your team number on it, and we're going to put it behind a partition so that we will weigh it after you leave, so you won't know how well you did on station number 1 to the award ceremony. After you're done estimating how many objects are on each container at station 2, we're going to move everybody over to station 3, which will have 2 boxes. And we're going to estimate the volume in cubic centimeters using just the natural wrinkles on your hand, length times width times height, and write down your estimate for each of the boxes you see. And it may not be these boxes, it can be boxes of any size up to, I think, 1,000 cubic centimeters. And then we, of course, will add up all 5 of your scores and give you a team score and rate you with all the other teams. Okay, thank you.
This is kind of light, so I think we just need a little bit more. No, now it feels a little light.
115.0. We get one box. Well, why don't you reset,
As soon as there's an open station on the other side.
Yeah, we got more stations open. Come on in.
Well,
140.
I just hug it.
It's an award. This is the way it's shaped. You guys makes the curve.
Does somebody believe